Hi, Daisy. I just wanted to create this for you just in case you needed a little help in finding the data that Lisa Brown has submitted so far this year at Data Teams. So I will have sent you in the email that includes this video a direct link to this data dashboard. Since Lisa is a part of Andrea Strain's data team, she's on this data dashboard. And let me close this so you can see everything. If you go down here to the bottom, you should be able to click just on each tab for each month. So when I click on August, you can see here that Lisa has 4 submissions in August. And then when you look at the columns, certainly in the pre-column, she submitted 1s, and in the post column, it looks like she has 3s and 2s. Then when you go to September, you should be able to see for each month so far what she has submitted as pre-data and post-data. And if you want to know what strategy she had chosen, here it looks like she has put in like strategy number 2 for this kiddo. And so if I scroll down here, oh, they didn't complete it. Okay, that's good to know. It should say over here what the strategies are that they're using. So it looks like she has data for August, September. She has a lot more in October. And here you can see they have their strategies in. And November. So that's how you can see what data she's been turning in and what progress kids have been making. If you have any other questions, go ahead and just email me and I'll see if I can come up with the answer. Thank you.